working on the Tundra today. Fucking pack rat's got to it. It's got the knock sensors eaten out, of course, under the intake manifold there. You'll get to see that. I'm sure you guys know whose truck this is, but let's go to current symptoms. Track, check engine, 4 lows, freaking the fuck out, and those are normal. No one needs to maintenance stuff. Just kidding, maintenance required. Do it. We'll show you how to turn that guy off, and hopefully these guys turn off too. Let's get into it. Don't want the engine too warm while we're working in it. We gotta take that manifold off. All right. A little PSA for the fucking dog owners out there. First of all, it's a responsibility to own a dog. It's not a toy. If you're gonna be walking neighborhoods, washes, deserts, all of those nature areas, I couldn't give a shit less about what I'm about to say. But if you're walking in neighborhoods with your dog and it's taking a shit in front of people's driveways, and you end up leaving it for someone like me to fucking run it over and have to smell it for the next fucking couple hours, that is some fucking person's dog shit. And it was right in front of the fucking driveway and I didn't see it, and now I gotta smell it, and I don't want to wash it off. You fucking piece of shit. Just pick up your fucking dog shit. If it was on the side of the fucking road where I can't run it over, I wouldn't have noticed, but you did it right in front of the fucking driveway, which is pretty fucked up. So if I see you walking around, I'm gonna fucking have a conversation with you. Fuck you. All right, back to the Tundra. We're gonna do some spark plugs and knock sensor wires, because Arizona likes them pack rats. You could probably see it all up in there. If you can't, whatever. You'll see more of it on the time lapse. But this video is, I guess, more for the people that are looking to know how to get underneath that manifold. I'm not going to really say anything. I'm just going to time lapse it for the time being, and you'll see the process. I'll walk you through it when I'm done. We'll start the truck and then we'll go jump it. All right, so we're at the point where we're gonna be pulling this off. You have your 2 nuts up top, and it looks like 8 total bolts. You got 2 nuts up top, and then as long as you follow it back, you got 4 on this side, 4 on that side. One's a little bit hidden in the back on that side, behind that wiring loom right there, but still something you can get to. It's right back there. You can see the empty hole. And then on this guy, you got that one back there, empty hole. But if you run across, you can see them all at that point. Rather easy. I did decide to take off the throttle body. These are coolant lines, so you got coolant running through here, and I don't really want to take those off. Not like it's going to disturb much, but I just took them off. And now you can see how, well, you can't really, but it's pretty gummed up in there. So we'll get this sucker off and hopefully not stab ourselves with all the fucking little dynamites these stupid little rats put in here. And get that wire changed out, put it back together, and then work on some spark plugs real quick, and this guy's done. Hopefully. we'll see what happens. I'm gonna stick you back on time lapse for a little bit. Actually, I might keep you on video for a little bit so you can see this coming off, but I don't think it's gonna come off nearly as easy as I want it to just pop right off. But we'll see. It looks like I gotta take the fuel rails off too as well, maybe, because that sucker's not coming straight off. We'll see. So I forgot to record. Got it all back together, cleared the codes. Codes are good to go. I can go, I shifted into 4 low again, which is nice. Symptoms of your knock sensor on your 5.7 going bad is your 4 low light flashing, your trac light is on, and your check engine light's on. And then you can throw a code obviously for knock sensor bank 1 or 2. There's total of 4, 2 on passenger side, 2 on driver side, with your main connector being right back there. Again, all underneath your intake manifold, which really doesn't take much time to get off. But in this case, they just ate the driver's side. Passenger side was good, but the harness that comes with goes through and reconnects all 4 of them. As you can see here, you get a better idea. Back plug, driver, passenger, driver. Fucking got the halos going on, the fight lights on the Pajero. Shit looks good. Yep. $1 million Pedro if you want it. $1 million. $1 million.